Hello and welcome to my open house for this weekend. I'm going to give you a quick tour. I'll be here from 12 to 3 today and 12 to 3 tomorrow. Here we go. All right, so this is the entry area. And as you see, it's very bright, light and bright. This home has been perfectly set up so you can see all the great benefits. Those are motorized shades. You have a deep coat closet. We're only one block from the water, people. As you see, the kitchen's been updated. The tile backsplash. Newer cabinets. Comes with all the appliances, so you don't need to invest in new appliances. If you work from home, there's a great little nook where you can have an at-home office. I'm walking into the primary suite. Lots of storage. You have your accent wall. This is connected to your bathroom. There's one bathroom in this condo. Recently glazed tub, dual sink, smart mirror. You have your linen closet, and then your secondary bedroom, which is also great size. They're using it as a guest room and gym. It's a strong rental market down here as well. And this unit has parking arrangements for one car that you're welcome to continue. And again, I'll be here 12 to 3 today. I'm at 1273 East 1st Street, Unit 3E. The entrance is right off of Esperanza and 1st Street. See you soon.